Let's look at Chapter 9, Lesson 9, Practice, measuring weight in ounces, pounds, and tons. Fill in the missing amounts. Remember, you're going to divide each problem into two sections. There's going to be a top and a bottom. For number 1, I have 1 pound plus 2 pounds equals 3 pounds. 1 pound is the same as 16 ounces, which is the same for 2 pounds and 32 ounces. I need to add 16 plus 32, and I know that that would equal 48 ounces, which is the same thing as 3 pounds. Number 2, I have 1 meter and 4 meters equals 5 meters. Well, I know that 1 meter is the same as 100 centimeters, 4 meters the same as 400 centimeters, and 100 plus 400 equals 500 centimeters, which is also the same as 5 meters. For number 3, I have 4 tons plus 2 tons, which equals 6 tons. And I know that 4 tons is the same as 8,000 pounds because I did 4 times 2,000 because each ton is 2,000 pounds. And I end up getting 8,000 pounds. And then I have 8,000 plus 4,000, which is 12,000 pounds. Or I can think of it as saying 6 times 2,000 in order to get my pounds. For number 4, I kind of need to work backwards. I'm going to start with the first box where I have 4 quarts equals how many cups? Well, I know that 4 quarts is the same as 1 gallon, and I know a gallon has 16 cups in it. Now I'm going to go to the last box where I have 36 cups. I need to figure out how many quarts that would be. I know that the number is going to get smaller, so I'm going to choose to divide. I also know that 4 cups goes into a quart, so I'm going to divide by 4 in order to figure out how many quarts there are. 36 divided by 4 is going to be 9, which would be 9 quarts. Now I'm going to go to the middle box. I need to figure out 4 plus what equals 9 quarts. And I know that that would be 5 quarts. Now I can do how many cups. I know that the number is going to get bigger, so I'm going to multiply, and I know that for each quart there's 4 cups. So 5 times 4 is going to be 20 cups. I'm going to check my work because on the bottom I have 16 plus 20 equals 36 cups, which is correct. Let's look at test prep. The scale shows how much 6 apples weigh. How much would 10 apples of the same size weigh? And I can see that the scale shows that it's 3 pounds for 6 apples. Now I'm going to look at that information to figure out how I can figure out how much 10 apples would be. So if I put 10 apples up here, how much would it equal in pounds? And I'm going to think about that as a proportion. If I know that in order to get from 6 to 3 I had to divide by 2, then I would take 10 and divide it by 2, which would give me 5 pounds, which means 10 apples would equal 5 pounds.